Welcome to this wonderfully delicious pancake recipe made in the air fryer. Let me show you how we did it. It is extremely simple and easy, and here at Savory Thoughts, we like simplicity. Let's start by whisking our egg. Our next step, we are going to add all of our dry ingredients together. So that is the flour, baking soda, baking powder, a little bit of salt, some sugar, and we are also adding a little bit of cinnamon for some flavor. The exact measurement for this recipe is on savorythoughts.com, so please visit the website for the full measurement. And let's go ahead and whisk all the dry ingredients together. We are slowly going to add in our milk. Now go ahead and add the battered eggs. And continue to slowly add in the milk to your batter. Don't forget to check our website for the exact measurement and step-by-step instruction at savorythoughts.com. So go ahead and spray the pan that you're gonna place in your air fryer, or you can also butter it up. It's really up to you. And place the batter in the pan. Yes, it is that easy. Make sure that your batter fully covers the pan. What is wonderful about this recipe is instead of babysitting the pancake over a stovetop, now you get to actually enjoy your time with your family while your pancake is being cooked. Now all you have to do is place the pan in the air fryer for 10 to 12 minutes and your pancakes will be ready in no time. Use a toothpick if necessary to check for doneness. Toothpick should be dry. Spread some butter over your pancake before cutting it. And now, feel free to serve. And voila, a wonderfully delicious, elaborate breakfast garnished with blueberries that the entire family can enjoy without wasting a whole lot of time in the kitchen. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, leave us a comment, let us know what else you would like to see. And we certainly enjoy you taking the time to watch our video. Take care.